Welcome to the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at newsramp.com. It's Wednesday evening, December 17, 2025, and we have a lineup of business and corporate headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So, grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline.
Mission IR News breaks. Platinum Group Metals Ltd, NYSMRG, PTM, stands at pivotal moment amid supply deficit. Platinum Group Metals Ltd PLG PTM is strategically positioned amidst a global platinum scarcity. The company's Waterberg project in South Africa is poised to address the platinum shortage affecting various sectors. With a focus on platinum, palladium, rhodium, and gold, the project showcases potential for long-term production to cater to automotive and emerging hydrogen markets. Platinum Group Metals Ltd is the operator of the Waterberg project, a significant underground palladium and platinum deposit. For more information, visit www.platinumgroupmetals.net. Mission IR News breaks. Safe and Green Holdings Corp, SGBX, nears completion of merger, marking shift to integrated energy company. Safe and Green Holdings Corp is nearing completion of a merger, signaling a shift to become an integrated energy company. A shareholder meeting on December 29th will finalize the integration of Olenox Corp and Mokfu Inc. into Safe and Green's structure. CEO Michael McLaren stated that this move marks the company's transition from modular construction to a fully integrated energy firm, focusing on industrial builds like generator sets, AI data centers, and cryptocurrency miners. Safe and Green Holdings specializes in modular solutions, offering safe and green building options across various industries. For more information, visit the company's newsroom at the provided link.
Investor News breaks. Search Minerals Inc., SMY, OTC SHCF, advances Canada's critical rare earth strategy in Labrador. Search Minerals Inc., a Canadian exploration and development company, is focused on maximizing critical rare earth element resources in Labrador. The company's core portfolio in the Port Hope-Simpson-St. Louis Cree District includes projects like Deep Fox and Foxtrot, along with over 20 new prospects. Additionally, the Red Wine Cree District in central Labrador is home to prospects such as Merlot, Two Tom, and Man No. 1. These districts play a key role in Canada's critical mineral independence strategy. Search Minerals is dedicated to exploring and developing critical rare earths elements as well as transition metals in Labrador, controlling 2 deposits, 2 drill-ready prospects, and numerous other Cree prospects. For more information, visit the company's newsroom.
Update. Golden Cariboo Resources intersects 0.56 grams per tang gold over 99.84 meters, 327.56 feet. Golden Cariboo Resources Ltd announces intersecting 0.56 grams per ton of gold over 99.84 meters in drill hole QGQ 2523 from 180.20 meters, while drill holes QGQ 2021 and QGQ 25-23 to Magnus 24 encountered intermittent anomalous gold mineralization. They were stopped early due to mechanical issues. Ongoing drilling is targeting the Halo Zone, with drill hole QGQ 25-28 currently in progress. The company is focusing on the greenstone and argillite contact to explore further mineralization to the north. All drilling samples are processed by ALS Canada Ltd's laboratory in North Vancouver, ensuring accurate and independent analysis.
Investor News breaks. RXR Capital closes $4.3 million receivables-backed financing for Northeast convenience store operator. RXR Capital has closed a $4.3 million receivables-backed financing for a Northeast-based operator of 11 bodega and neighborhood convenience store locations. The facility, structured around the operator's receivables and recurring cash flows, is intended to support ongoing operations, inventory purchasing, and working capital needs across the company's store network, providing flexible access to capital that adjusts with business performance. RXR Capital is a private lending and investment firm that focuses on receivables-backed and cash flow-oriented transactions designed to support working capital, growth, and operational stability.
Investor news breaks. Knightscope Inc., Nasdaq KSCP, surpasses $1 million milestone in new sales, renewals, and expansions. Knightscope Inc. has surpassed a significant milestone, exceeding $1 million in new sales, client renewals, and expansions. The company's momentum is evident across emergency communication devices and autonomous security robots, with new sales in government, education, and healthcare sectors. Knightscope's subscription-based security technology platform has seen 39 new ECD sales, over 60 ECD maintenance renewals, 8 new machine-as-a-service subscriptions, 3 new risk and threat premium accounts, and 7 ASR subscription renewals. This success follows the release of the company's 2025 letter from the CEO, outlining the vision for the nation's first autonomous security force. To learn more about Knightscope's innovative robotics and AI technologies, visit www.knightscope.com.
New facility expands production capacity by up to 5.8 times. Just Right Products, Inc., a subsidiary of ADM Endeavors, has completed a new 100,000 square feet facility in Fort Worth, TX. This milestone significantly boosts manufacturing capacity, solidifies their position in school and government uniform markets, and sets the stage for operational scalability and retail expansion. The new facility increases production capacity by up to 5.8 times, allowing ADM to streamline operations, pursue more contracts, and diversify product offerings. With a book value of $6,741,664.87, ADMQ's market capitalization at close was $7,396,092.54. For more information, visit ADM Endeavors' website.
Copper hoarding in the U.S. could drive prices to unexpected highs. Prices of copper have soared in 2025, with the metal reaching several record highs along the way. As the year comes to an end, several analysts are forecasting that this rally could carry on into 2026, fueled by a number of factors. All in all, the copper market is still very much in flux, with many factors on the supply side likely to trigger price volatility. At the same time, the demand side can also flip on a dime, so the trajectory of the price could swing wildly on either side if there is a development that shakes the market. Copper exploration companies like Tor Metals Inc., TSX Dong, will be watching closely.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.